Hey Jeff, so looking at your website, it looks like you're a directory for roofing contractors. So I came in here, I just pulled up a page, Sacramento, California. I figured I'd go with the bigger city. And coming down here, looks like you got a few people that you have on here for roofers residential. Didn't look like you had anything for commercial or so. I mean, obviously you're gonna need to have some more, uh, you know, companies. But one thing is you want to have content on your page to appear on Google because you're gonna be having to compete with Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, Yelp, you know, uh, other directories to have people that want to be on your, that want to be a contractor on your website, so they can get leads from you. But basically, you want to have more content on your page. You only have 412 words. Google loves content. The more content, the better. Um, if we go over, I just typed in roof repair Sacramento, and you'll see Yelp popped right up. Another Yelp. But then Home Advisor. I went for Home Advisor because everyone knows them, and they're big at getting leads out there. And you look at how much content is on this page. There's just tons of it, as well as it's got uh, organic keywords in the content. And if we pop it over here, it's 3,402 words. So they got a lot of content they're working with. It's something that you're going to need to add more to your directory. Um, as well, it's all over for each page. Um, the next thing is images. Let's see what it's saved as. Don't want this. You want it saved with the keywords. So since this is all Sacramento, you'd want residential roof or roof repair, Sacramento, California. Maybe shingle roof, Sacramento, California, or different keywords. You want each of these images saved with keywords that you want. And then you want organic keywords in here, and you want the more content, the better. And since you have to compete against Home Advisor and other directories, you're gonna have to have quite a bit of content. Um, and then you're gonna also want to make sure um, you don't want to just have you don't want to just go out and copy and paste content on there. It needs to be uh, original content as well. So it's quite a bit of work. I saw you had a blog, that's nice. That can help bring you um, some business, and it can make your page, um, and give you more content to make Google like your page better. But yeah, let's come in here and see what this guy saved his images, or what Home Advisor saves their images as. I would imagine, I don't know why he saved it like that, actually, to be honest with you. Huh. Well, I guess Home Advisor is not I guess they have something they could work on too. But they got so much content that just not saving the images. It's just giving them one less keyword, but they already have it in there, so they don't really care. Obviously, they're making plenty of money. Plugging into Ahrefs, you got a 14 UR and a zero point 0.2 DR. You got 208 backlinks, 40 referring domains, and you're ranking for 41 keywords. And you can come in here and see what keywords you're ranking for. Um, Henry, you see you're just ranking for. Um, I think these are all just different companies. So people are searching the company. Obviously they're just gonna take their website over your directory. That's just going to take you to their website, or them to their website. They're just click on the website that they are going to. So you're going to want keywords with each city on them on your website. Let's go over to Home Advisor. So this is just going to this directly to the Sacramento area, and you'll see. I was going to take a look at his keywords for you real fast. You'll see that these are not too hard to rank for. These are all pretty low KD, especially emergency. But I mean, only 10 people search that. So these 2.5 ones right here, Roof Repair Sacramento, California, Roof Repair Sacramento, both bunch of traffic for them. You can go check out every other city, and or just keep, find the big ones. These are going. Roof repair is going to be big, pretty much in every city. Roof repair, San Diego, roof repair. Any city, it's going to be, that's going to be one of the top ones there. And it's going to, the KD is going to vary with each of them. But let's go back, and then why this is getting so much power. You see the DR is 91. It's because Home Advisor is such a big. Google knows Home Advisor. It trusts it. It's massive. And if I go here and if I do just the whole entire website to see, you'll see there's just a massive amount of backlinks, massive amount of referring domains. The cool thing is we can come in here and grab as many as we want. Oh, they also have a massive amount of organic keywords they're ranking for. And their traffic value is massive. And they get tons of hits every month. They get 2.6 million people going to the website every month, which is, yeah. But we can come in here. They got so many backlinks, it's taking forever to load. But you can basically come in here and grab the backlinks that you like from this guy, from Home Advisor. And you can get to go after them, see how they got them, get them yourself. Obviously, they're going to have a whole bunch of backlinks that they're getting just from people just, organically linking to Home Advisor. Blogs like, oh yeah, Home Advisor, or, all kinds of other spots. But otherwise, you could go get blog posts. You could go, let's see, this guy, he gave them a backlink. He's got this is a really nice one. Then you can come in here and see why he's giving Home Advisor a backlink, how they got it, and try to find it. Somewhere in here there's a link back to Home Advisor. But basically you can just come in here and find all of them. It says it's an image, so there's an image in here. I don't know where it is. Anyways, we can come look at all these. Obviously, going through millions of them is going to take forever, but you don't have to go through the spammy ones, because you go to like the last page, it's all just going to be spam. This puts the strongest backlinks first. You want to make sure they're relevant. So you want roofing relevant industry backlinks. You won't want fast food or surfing, linking back to you. You'd also want other ways you can get backlinks is guest posts, blogs, blog commenting, news articles, other websites just linking back to you. There's plenty of ways to get them. Sponsors. But yeah, hopefully that helps you. I know it's I chose Home Advisor, but they're massive, and you want to get people to go to you instead of them. But hopefully that can help you. Yeah. If you want, we can set up a phone call and talk more. If not, that's fine. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a good rest of your day.